Okay, so here is our second Airbnb. This one we have all to ourselves. It is a studio, so it's basically one bedroom plus the bathroom. Here we go. So this is it. That dog is unusually loud right now. I tidied, but I didn't like perfect it, because why would I? Here we are. So basically just a sink, my lovely laundry over there, and basic bathroom. Love the water pressure and I love the heat, of course. That's pretty much it, guys. I love all these windows everywhere. And then I do have also a closet behind that black curtain. The boy. That's it. Tell me one thing you like about this new location.
The bed is more comfy, like way more comfy.
All right, the bed is more comfy, good point. I like the refrigerator. I have an entire refrigerator to put as much food as I want in.
Energy!
Something else that you like about this place?
Space. Space. I'm hiding behind the fridge.
Definitely much more space than being in that small bedroom.
Yeah.
And speaking of which, I like that it's all of our own. I don't have to
Share it with
anyone else. I don't have to be like, ugh.
It's all ours.
So, introvert, as an introvert, I definitely prefer having this place to myself.
Me too.
All right, name one more thing that you like about the place.
I like the shower. I'm not gonna actually turn it on.
Yeah, tell me, what do you like about the shower? Because we had a shower in the other place.
But it was cold.
Yes. We could not guarantee that, like, it was just inconsistently warm, very few moments. So this one, much better temperature control, and I like the pressure also. And I like that the dog gets to be in the house pretty much all the time. We do have to walk him because we don't have a yard. We don't have any place that he can like go relieve himself, but it's healthier for us to go outside and walk him. So at the end of the day, I'm cool with it. So it's better that we have the dog in the house than outside, especially as we get to summer where it's super hot. It's much more convenient to know that he's in the house and he doesn't make a mess. He doesn't do anything bad. Overall, I like it. All right, one thing you don't like about this place. Come on. You should, what, you have to think about it?
Yeah.
The pool?
Yeah, we don't have a pool anymore.
We don't have.
This is basically like my dream house or something.
Do what?
Not too much that I don't like about this place.
So you love the place, but
Mostly.
Mostly.
There's some downstairs.
but you had to be reminded just now that you don't have a pool.
I miss the pool.
And right here, I forgot about this. This is her hammock, the host's hammock. It is
Not our hammock.
super heavy. I think it's cotton, but it is also the location that we have to hang it, like from there all the way to there. Like there's just, we can't hang it. So hopefully soon we will buy
String.
double rope, like double the distance that we have on our hammock over there. I hope we'll do it, and if not, we might have to get 3 sets. I don't know.
Oh.
And with the fridge, I like that we can get more ice cream products. We have more room. And I predict we're gonna be purchasing a lot of ice cream soon. Like I'm gonna just buy ice cream products to have it always available because Merida's hot. Like it's the winter and it's hot. Pray for us in the summertime.
It feels like there's not enough outlets and not enough the right places.
Outlets, correct. So we have power outlets, 2 sets over there. We have a set here. And then in the corner where the fan is, we've got a set. That's it, right?
Yeah, I hate to have to sit on the hammock, which is better, or nowhere.
So yeah, nothing near a sitting location, basically. So that part's a little bit annoying, but I mean, it's doable. And I say it's nice to take, like anytime your phone is dead, you should just get off of it, let it charge, and then go get it. So we don't need to be constantly charging. We don't need to be on the phone or the laptop while it's charging, is what I mean. So everything is close by. The Walmart, the Chedraui, we have restaurants.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Alex, are there any restaurants you remember seeing that you are excited about?
The pastry place.
The pastry place. There's a couple pastry places actually.
There's this guy that keeps coming with this bell.
There are street vendors.
Yep.
One of them it's got to be ice cream.
It had a
Pretty
bunch
sure.
of ice cream cones.
It had cones, so I'm pretty sure it's ice cream.
I know, like a fridge thing.
Yes. So we're excited to try those. We just have to remember to like listen for it and figure out what times he's around so we can, and then do we have to run down to get it? Like, I don't know. We'll figure it out.
I like the paintings.
I like the colors, yes. I love the red futon that we're on. I love the, well, I don't know what color, orangey brown wall, accent wall that we have on one side mixed with the white. She's got flowers everywhere. We had to put flowers
On
top of the fridge because it was on all the surfaces. So I had to put all of these flowers up here. Now they're fake flowers, of course. And then she's got the flower there, and then all of these, well, 2 flower paintings. Okay, so even though the eviction situation was not ideal, at the end of the day, I think it's a godsend that we were able to, cancel that Airbnb and be able to move to another location, because honestly, we like this one a lot better just because of the independence. Nothing negative about the other location in terms of, I'm still glad that we went there first. I'm glad that we got to know the area, know the host, and he helped us with so many different things, so very grateful. But I love I'm an introvert. I want my own place. So there.